Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down.
Hey.
Put it down, man. Put it down.
Whoa, down.
X-ray 601. X-ray 6801. Right here. We got shots fired in the parking lot of 2009. Any else on location? Yeah, I'm looking at him. Stand by, please.
Okay.
Stand by, please. It's 2009 Escapade. Hispanic male, black shirt, jeans. Looks like a Glock with extended clip. Where? Where? Yeah, guy with a gun, black shirt running. Hey, drop it. Drop it. Drop that shit. Drop it. Drop the fucking gun. Drop the fucking gun. Drop the fucking gun. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Hey, so let me know if shots fired. Shots fired. Drop the fucking gun. Drop it. Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Don't fucking touch it! Don't fucking touch it! Don't fucking touch it! Turn around! Turn the fuck around! Turn the fuck around! Turn the fuck around! I didn't do nothing, bro. Put your arms behind your back! Stop fucking reaching! It's right to me now, Nate. I'm going to the ambulance here. Don't fucking move. Stop! Give me your hand! Jesus. Yes. Go again. Put your arms behind your back. Get off him, go.
Hold on, bro.
Then fucking turn over so I can save your life.
Hold on.
Turn over so I can save your life. You're bleeding.
Hold on. I didn't do nothing.
Turn over.
Hold on.
Turn over.
Hold on.
Turn over.
Hold on. I didn't do nothing.
Turn over. You're gonna keep getting tased.
Hold on, bro.
Turn over so I can save your life.
Let me explain, bro.
Okay, we can explain later. Please, turn over.
But hold on, bro.
Turn over.
Bro, hold on. Let me explain, bro.
We're not black tourniquet.
Hey, let me explain, bro.
X-ray 601. Looks like you crossed the street.
Relax.
Hold on,
Extra
bro.
11-943, we got shots fired. OIS. Start there, 4 for 1. Male short in the arm. Turn over.
Hold
over
on.
there.
Hold on, bro.
What you want, man?
Relax.
Let me explain.
Relax.
Hey, 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 he tried to do something.
Okay.
He tried something.
Okay.
Okay. He tried something, bro.
Okay.
Are you already at 10707 South Street?
No, I shot him. Turn over. Okay. Hey, stop, bro.
Bro, y'all don't want me to explain.
Fine, turn over.
Y'all don't want me to explain. He tried to me everything, bro. Hey, he tried something else. He got a knife. Hey, he got a knife, bro.
Yeah, he did have a knife when I saw you. And I told you to drop the gun. You ran from me with the gun in your
I
hand.
know, bro.
That was
Because I
stupid.
was scared.
Okay, but that was dumb.
Bro, he got a knife, bro.
Stay down, stay quiet.
Hey, he got a knife, bro. It's up to you.
Put me on that. I'm almost out.
Where's the plug up? Yeah. Stay down. Let's wrap it up. Oh, you got a plug on it? Yeah. Relax, bro. Relax. Don't fucking move.
But you know what?
Relax.
Let me die, nigga.
No.
Let me die. Let me die,
No,
cause
you're not gonna die.
I'm dying, nigga.
You're not gonna die.
It's okay.